I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. Today we're looking at the idiom to butter someone up. To butter someone up means to be extra nice to them, to get what you want. For example, I have a friend and he teaches, and the children always try to butter him up so they can play football. So when can you use it? You can use it to say, I know you're trying to butter me up and you can't use my car. And he or she always butters her husband or, wife or somebody up. And I don't like talking to Jane because she always butters me up and then asks me for a big favor. So if you have a story about buttering someone up, or if someone butters you up, do let me know in the comments below and practice the language point. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye for now.